doing a day in the life of G Maffiah just every day. So I say in the street, studio, recording and making the hits to me. So I say, oh, superstar. Don't know, Kodistarr. Alright, there is a next session. And that's today on music, our weapon. Mad thing. We do some dub later now. You see me I say, you don't know do some dub. I shout out something for G already. And you see me I say, you don't know Wonder. You got yourself. You see me I say, you don't know we shout out something for Rasquami. Team load. You see me I say, crazy work man every day.
Okay, so what about the guys from Zimbabwe who's been calling? You're not doing their dub?
No, I definitely have to do his dub, man. He's been haunting me like a ghost. So you don't know, you see me I say a mad thing.
China man, I'm going to see the opportunity and I grab them.
China man, see the opportunity.
And the China man, them take over the country now.
No, it's because
them buy acres and acres of land.
Alright, so they go foreign.
Them see the natural minerals general. And that them a thief out of Jamaica right now. The natural minerals.
The China man people are going to buy business. When you come up foreign, you educate yourself and see. Take the idea, I'm going to go to Jamaica and make money from it. It's just very simple like that. Simple. So me I take my idea and I go down there with it. No, me I go up there with it, fix that.
Why? Nah man, I down there say. Down there you go. And that you say in a general. And that you say a while ago, you know. Up you forgot. Alright, up you go.
But think about it like this, brother. You see when people are foreign, they look on Jamaica and see the opportunity. Just like how we are Jamaica and look on foreign and see the opportunities. So the same thing. So we want to come here and, you know, make money and do all these things. People want to go to Jamaica and get the land and build up all these things. Yeah. So don't make them go build up Jamaica and then we want to go to Jamaica.
They might take out. They might
But you know what it is, yeah? When I left Jamaica as a ghetto youth, you're not left with price of land. Yep. You're not left with price of house in your brain. You just know about get up. You just know about say, yo, try to get out of the ghetto. Yeah. So when they forward that foreign now, you know, after doing the whole thing, you know, in a reality, but this is what I about. The man they were there, can build up Jamaica. Yep. Champagne, the designer, the man we are hustle, the man we are making money. You then take all of the money there, brother, and take it and put it into ideas of the Jamaica and send it back. It can build up the country. But we come here, we get relaxed and we want to be like in the system. Yeah. You understand me? So we find out say, you understand, I saw you go, brother. It's just like when the man get the chance to move, then the man if move, I'm gonna make you sign. And me get a chance, I'm gonna move. Who reach England? Which yard man at England reach?
Which yard boy that want say, yeah, want a film kind of money?
Sterling. And Sterling left yard in my youth.
Sterling and Bala. Being them money. Yeah, different kind of money that money.
Out of football, how much Jamaica got up on a football team at England? Sterling and storage. You understand me? So you have to look for that
storage. Big up storage. Big up father storage too.